Better than stock picking. I actually think that if you don't like stock picking, if you don't like doing that kind of research, there's actually a better aggressive speculative strategy than picking stocks. Now, here's the problem with picking stocks for a lot of people is that one, they don't like to do the research or they feel intimidated by doing that kind of research. Or if they pick the right stocks, they can get shaken out if that stock turns downward right away and they sell out during the first dip of the stock. However, if you do want market beating performance, there is one strategy that I think is actually better than stock picking, at least from my experience, and that is using a trading system. Now, a trading system allows you to make trades using a certain signal, or you trade during a certain time of year, month, weekday, or even hour. That's more of a seasonality of our timing thing. Now, the one thing that I like about trading systems is that it removes emotion, fear, and greed from the equation. It's completely mechanical. You're just trading like a robot. Now, how do you find a good trading system? This is the hardest thing because it can be a little tricky and it does take a little time to figure out how to find the best trading system. Now, what you want to do is the first thing you want to do is you want to backtest that trading system, and you want to backtest that trading system as far back as possible. If you have two trading systems you look at that you're looking at, and one trading system goes, you can backtest for 10 years, and one you can backtest for 30 years, the trading system that you can backtest for 30 years is going to be much more effective because you want to see how that trading system performs in a bull market, in a bear market, in a flat market. You want to see what's the maximum drawdown. For instance, if you can tolerate, let's say you have a trading system that's more on the buy side that works best in a bull market, you want to know how it performs in a bear market. And if the maximum drawdown in the last bear market was 50%, and if you can tolerate 50%, then you know that trading system most likely will draw down at 50%, but it has returns that beats the market, so you're sort of fine with using that trading system. I'm actually going to show you one trading system. I've talked about it before, but I'm going to give you an example of a very simple trading system that has been back tested over 60 years and has beaten the S&P 500 really, really well. So this trading system actually goes back, it goes back 4 to 6 decades, it goes back a long time, but it's basically known as the 6-month trading system. I covered it in a video called Sell in May and Go Away. And in this trading system, it just shows that historically the S&P 500 performs better between the months of October and May, and underperforms between the months of May and October. So this simple trading system, all you have to do is in the last trading day of October, you buy the S&P 500 or buy the S&P 500 ETF, the SPY, and you just hold on to the SPY until the last trading day of April, and then you sell and you go into cash. And that simple strategy has been beating the S&P 500 for as far back as the S&P 500 could go. It's been back tested through the Great Recession. It's been back tested through the tech crash. It's been back tested through the '87 crash. And over that time, this system has returned, I believe, around 13% versus 10% for just buying and holding the S&P 500. And that 3% differential spread over 40 years will actually give you an outperformance that triples buying and holding. So I believe in the Sell in May and Go Away video, just buying and holding for that, I believe that in the Sell in May and Go Away, we back tested that over about 60 years, and buying and holding turned 10,000 into 900,000. The 6-month trading system turned 10,000 into over 2 million. So you can see it really, having a trading system allows you to beat the market. It's mechanical, so you remove emotion. All you gotta do is just back test as long as you can, see what the maximum drawdown is for that trading system, and just realize that you're just gonna have to hold on through that maximum drawdown. And if you could do that, you can beat the market without emotion, without trying to time the market, without trying to do too much research. You know, with stock picking, you're constantly doing research to find that next great stock. Once you find a trading system, you're done. you put your money in that trading system and you just run with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.